Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need to confirm hardware and software first. Check that your phone explicitly lists 5 GHz or dual band support, and that the router broadcasts a 5 GHz SSID. Once done, update your phone and router firmware so compatibility issues are reduced. Next, enable Wi-Fi, keep the phone near the router to avoid signal confusion, and open network settings. You'll see available networks. Focus on the 5 GHz SSID name, which often ends with 5G or -5 GHz, and tap to begin connection. Once you select the 5 GHz SSID, enter the password and choose to save or auto-connect. You're doing this because 5 GHz gives higher throughput and less interference, though shorter range. Make sure advanced Wi-Fi settings on the phone don't force 4 GHz roaming. If available, lock the connection to 5 GHz or set preferred band. On the router, consider splitting SSIDs so your phone won't switch bands automatically. If needed, pick a clear 5 GHz channel and 40/80 MHz width for speed. To finish, run a speed test and walk around to confirm usable coverage. 5 GHz performance drops faster with distance and obstacles, so place devices accordingly. If you experience drops, first toggle airplane mode or reboot the phone, then forget and reconnect to the 5 GHz SSID to clear cache settings. If problems persist, log into the router, change the 5 GHz channel or reduce channel width, and verify no DFS restrictions block the band. These steps address most interference.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.